Here we are at day 1 of the Elimination Protocol Challenge. This is being hosted in the Facebook group. It's free for you to join, Thriving Gut Health for Over 40s. Now, don't worry if you're not over 40, but you're struggling with gut health, you'd be very welcome in the group. Okay, I'm a qualified nutritionist and I support perimenopausal women over the age of 40 who have digestive issues. And one of the big things that I do with my clients is take them through the gold standard elimination protocol. And what that does is it helps remove inflammatory foods from the diet and calm down the digestive system and remove the triggers that are causing your symptoms. So if you're struggling with bloating, anxiety, and insomnia, joint pain, and you're feeling chronically tired all the time, then it may well be the food that you're eating that's causing your problems. Now, let me run through with you the main inflammatory foods that I often see come up in food sensitivity tests. I often see them come up in the kinesiology tests that I refer my clients to. And we can also see these results in the comprehensive stool analysis that I run for my clients. So if you're interested in any of those diagnostics, then please get in touch. Okay, the main foods that we need to eliminate to calm down the bloating and the unwanted hormone symptoms is number 1 is wheat, and particularly all grains. We can see this cross reactivity in the gut from a variety of grains, including wheat, of course, buckwheat, barley, rye, oats, even corn, maize, amaranth, quinoa, millet, that sort of thing. Nuts, all nuts can trigger inflammation. And if you're struggling with your digestion, then I really encourage you to eliminate nuts for a period of time and see if your symptoms change, particularly almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pistachios, walnuts, pecans, macadamia nuts. And particularly peanuts can be very rancid and very triggering for your inflammatory symptoms. Interestingly, legumes can also cause lots of upset. So if you're having, if you're vegan, or even if you're not, and you're having a lot of lentils, red kidney beans, chickpeas, broad beans, adzuki beans, and particularly if you're not soaking them in water first, then that can cause a lot of bloating, can be very difficult to digest. Now, all dairy is very inflammatory for the majority of people. So it may be that you've decided to cut out wheat and dairy for 5 days and see if your symptoms change. So milk, hard cheese, soft cheese, butter, cream, and even yogurt can cause bloating and IBS symptoms or constipation. Now, alcohol, I could talk about for days. It's very inflammatory. It's a poison. It diminishes the gut microbiome, and it is very problematic if you're having alcohol on a regular basis. It will definitely be triggering your inflammatory symptoms. So have a think about what your body is saying to you. Is your body whispering, or is it shouting? And come and join us over at the Thriving Gut Health group where we're running this 5-day challenge. I'd love to see you there. And if you would like to organize any comprehensive stool tests or food sensitivity tests or kinesiology tests to get to the root cause of your problem, then please reach out to me. Let me know. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.